Test Expo, the 14th of September. And Rik, quality is crucial for DevOps teams. Why?
Well, DevOps teams have to create products with the right quality at the right moment, but also they must look at the quality of the processes they use for their IT delivery and the quality of the people. So, to me, quality always relates to products, processes, and people.
And it's a lot to take in. How can you manage all of them at the same time? Or do you have to take one each? Or
Well, in general, DevOps teams should do quality engineering, as we like to call it today. And quality engineering is applying quality measures to achieve your goals. And quality measures may be very many and very different. So, some quality measures are around creating the product right and creating the right product. Things like pair programming or applying test design techniques. Some quality measures are more focused on having your IT delivery properly. And also, you have to think about getting the right knowledge of the people, for example, by coaching and training, but also just by working together, because people learn a lot from just collaborating in pairs or in larger groups.
so, in summary, if you want to integrate quality and testing into DevOps teams, is there one, two, three things that you recommend to start with?
Well, of course, it is not as simple as one, two, three, and you're ready, because there are many different things that you need to think of. Um, in general, I think there should be a lot of balance between, on one hand, automation, because a lot of people think DevOps is only about automating your CI CD pipeline. But on the other hand, it's also collaboration within the team and with multiple teams. So it's also about communication and organization. And that's why in the TMAP body of knowledge, we have two groups of quality engineering topics. We have the performing topics, which are about the things you need to do. And we have the organizing topics about how to organize across multiple teams.
There will be a lot of things to talk about during the Test Expo. What do you think? Because they can come up to you and ask questions. What do you think is will be the most common question that they will ask you?
Well, often I get questions about how to do testing. For example, test design techniques still remains an important thing that can still be implemented better. On the other hand, it's also about organizing. And one of the things we today see a need for is quality orchestration. So, and that's different than the old test management, but it still is about how to organize stuff across multiple teams. Um, and of course, about the TMAP training courses. We have three core TMAP training courses for IT delivery teams. And we will shortly introduce the new quality engineering for SAP training course. So I think there's more than enough to talk about at the Test Expo.
Thank you, Rik.
You're welcome. See you on 14 September in Stockholm.